Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ibad Rehman Sadat. Belongs to Afghanistan and a graduate of BDS Karachi Bakai Dental College, and presently running a private clinic in Afghanistan. After doing BDS and running my private setup, I wanted to learn about the implant industry, for which I have done my research and asked some of my friends, for which they have recommended the Pakistan Academy of Implant Industry. So after joining Pakistan Academy of Implant Industry, what I was expecting, Alhamdulillah, that was more than expected. We have learned some of the surgical procedures, and we have even today we have learned about the facial aesthetics, which was one of the most important part of the implant industry, for which I was really interested to join that. The course mentor, Dr. Mahmood Qureshi, he was really cooperative, Alhamdulillah. And for other my colleagues and friends, I really recommend the Pakistan Academy of Implant Industry to join and learn about implant and facial aesthetics.